We're with head women's basketball coach Denise Beerley. The women's open up their season with the tip-off tournament this weekend. Coach, you lost 4 seniors from last year. Do you look at this as a rebuilding season?
I don't know if we look at it that way. I think that that's not usually a term I like to use, and I try not to use it with my players. I think that when you use that term a lot, I think they can use it as an out to make excuses for things sometimes. And I think we try to just look at it that we try to do things a little bit differently. I mean, we lost the 4 seniors, so things will look different. We have new personnel. We're going to run some things a little bit differently than we did in the past because we'd had that team basically for 2 straight seasons. But I definitely think, there are some new faces. There will be some new looks. But I definitely think our goals are the same, and we'll try to compete the best we can in all 25 of our games. And our first goal obviously is to try to win our tip-off tournament this weekend.
Okay. What do you look upon as your biggest strength this year?
I think our biggest strength is probably, I would say, our defense. I think that we always try to hang our hat on the defensive end of the ball, or the floor, I should say. I think that, we have some returners that are very focused on defense. They're confident on the defensive end. I think, and then obviously the other area is probably offensive rebounding. I think we have some kids that are very good offensive rebounders, and we're going to need that. We're going to need those second chance opportunities. So I would say those are probably the 2 areas that we're trying to hang our hat on, or to be strengths for us, and giving us time so that our offense kind of catches up with the rest of it. Because I think with losing as much as we did, that's where the offense may take a little more time to kind of catch up with everything else.
You mentioned the tip-off tournament. Does your team have any other specific goals for this season?
Besides the tip-off tournament, I think our goals remain the same. In meeting with the players this week, I think they still want to compete for the Little East Conference Championship. Still try to go to postseason. Those are all goals that we always have every single year with the type of program that we've had. At some point this season, if things are we've put ourselves in that position, we'll continue to focus on those goals. I think if at some point this season maybe we aren't where we want to be in January and February, we may have to reevaluate our goals a little bit. But I think for right now, to start off, I think just to take, it's very cliche-ish, the one game at a time, but the tip-off tournament, try to be 3-0 at Thanksgiving. That's a good goal for us. Then we have a goal then we have a Christmas break. So at that point, we usually try to set a goal what our record's going to be at Christmas break. And then from there, we come back after Christmas and try to, focus really on the conference. So it's really important, too, I think, those 2 conference games, because we play Southern Maine and Rhode Island College, which are 2 of the better teams in our league, that we try to do well, to start off the conference schedule the first semester.
Okay, so you just mentioned the conference
Right.
a little bit. How do you think the Little East is going to shape up this year?
I think very competitive, as usual. I think, I know in my voting, I picked Rhode Island College and Southern Maine at the top 2 spots. Rhode Island has everybody back, their top players. I know that Southern Maine has quite a few back. And I would think they would be the top 2 on most people's, if you had to pick preseason poll. The other teams, I think, is pretty much up for grabs. I think that's where, if we can make some headway with those 2 teams and then, compete in those other games. But it's going to be very competitive. I think Keene State also has a decent team. Obviously, us and Western are always rivals. And, then Boston has got a new coach, I think, last year or the year before, and she's done a nice job in recruiting. So, it's always competitive, especially when you have the road away conference games. Very hard to win on the road. But, we'll look forward to the challenge, and I think we'll be hopefully in the mix and, see, like I said, I think there's different checkpoints at the season, Thanksgiving, Christmas. We get back, start spring semester, and you kind of check where you are and where you want to be, and some games are a little bit bigger, unfortunately, than others, but you just try to do the best you can. And like I said, it's kind of cliche-ish, but I think with this year's team especially, we need to focus on the moment and 1 game at a time.
All right, Eastern Women's Basketball opened its season this Saturday at 5:30 against Johnson State. Coach, good luck this season.
Thank you very much.